Hi friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to install CodeBlocks on your Ubuntu machine. It's very simple. There are plenty of ways to do that, but I'm going to follow a simple way, that is using Ubuntu Software Center. So let's get started. Open your Ubuntu Software Center by clicking this. Then you will get a lot of options. Just click all software and type CodeBlocks. You'll get CodeBlocks IDE. Click this and click more info. After clicking this, you will get this page. In this page there are plenty of options. Click all those things and it will ask you for like this, apply changes. When you click all these, click apply changes, then it will start to install CodeBlocks on your PC. After installing CodeBlocks, you have to launch it. So this is the way to install CodeBlocks on your PC. I already installed it, that's why it's asked me to remove CodeBlocks. I'm not gonna remove this because it's my life. So after installing this, you have to go and launch your CodeBlocks. To launch your CodeBlocks, go to terminal and type CodeBlocks. That's pretty cool, huh? Then it will start to open. Yeah, I did it. I installed the CodeBlocks and typed CodeBlocks in my terminal. Then finally I got CodeBlocks window. So this is the window where we start to learn CodeBlocks on C, C++ and every language. But first we are going to learn C, because this is the very basic language which you should know. So let's get started. So when you click this, it will give you plenty of options. So we have to create a new project, then only we can write a program or anything else. So click create a new project, then it gives you a bunch of options. So we have to search for console application and click console application and then go. Then next, then don't forget to click C, then next, then give you a project title. I'm gonna give Bala, you are awesome. Particular, huh? Then after giving this, it gives autofill this all this stuff. Then you have to select your desktop to save the file. Then click open. Then next. Then don't touch this, because this is the place where your CodeBlock select the compiler to compile your program. So don't touch this. Then click finish. That's all. That's all. Everything you did is correct. If you get this page, means you are in a great hurry, because it's a cool place where you're gonna learn C. So click sources. It will contain main.c. This is the default file which contains a very simple program in C. So this is the very simple program in C, but I'm not going deeper into this because it's just a tutorial about how to install CodeBlocks on your Ubuntu machine. After installing this stuff, we have to run our compiler program. How to run a compiler program? Yeah, it's very simple. To compile your program, just click this. Yeah, you have compiled your programs. I think you missed it. I'm gonna click this again. Yeah, target is up to date and nothing to be done. Yeah, that's the first step. In this step, you have compiled your program. What is compiling your program? Yeah, compiling is a program is very simple stuff. It makes your program understandable to your computer. What is understandable to your computer? You can know English, Tamil or any language, but computer does not know any language. The reason is computer can only understand zeros and ones. Without zeros and ones, you can't interact with your computer. So you need a compiler. That's why we download CodeBlocks and type our program and click compile. This compile button makes your program to convert into, I mean, bytecode. No, sorry, not bytecode. It's just a binary code. This binary code can be run on any machine, which makes your program portable, and also it can be understood by your computer. So this is the long definition about compiling a program. Then after compiling a program, it gives some alert. This is the alert about whether your program is right or not. My program is very correct, because my CodeBlock compiler typed my program. That's why it's correct. Particular, huh? Then click run. This is the cool stuff, because with this stuff only you can run your program. I can run my program by clicking this button. This button makes and use the hello world as a output. This is not the stuff which we getting as output. This is only the output for my program. So hello world is my output. So I got my output. This is the compile button and this is the run button. Don't forget these two buttons because they are very important. And another button, button run. This is a very cool button. If you're very lazy about clicking buttons, you can click this button also, because this button combines these two buttons. For example, if you click this button means it will compile your program and also will run your program. Let's take this. Yeah, it compiles my program and also run my program. That's all. We got our program run and we know how to create a project and how to run this and how to compile this and everything. I changed the order, but everything you know about CodeBlocks compiler. So let's get started, but not now, after next tutorial. So see you next time.